In this video, I'll go over a difficult ACT problem that deals with quadratic roots. This one says one root of the quadratic polynomial ax squared plus 13x minus 6 is equal to negative 3. Which of the following binomials is a factor of ax squared plus 13x minus 6? In this problem, they give us one of the roots, which is negative 3. Now, if you were to factor this, you set up your two sets of parentheses. We know one is already negative 3, so it's going to be x. Over here, it's going to be ax, and then some value is going to go here. Now, we know this negative 6. If we have 3 here, this has to be negative 2 to give you negative 6. Because these two multiplied together, the negative 2 times the 3 needs to multiply to give you negative 6. Now, what else do we know about these factors? So to get the 13x, that has to be a times 3 minus 2. That's going to give us the 13. So if you're doing your FOIL, the ax times the 3 plus the negative 2 times the x, that needs to add up to the 13. So here we can solve for a. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. It's going to be 3a equals 15. Divide both sides by 3. And then a equals 5. So now I can rewrite my parentheses. It's going to be 5x minus 2 and x plus 3. And what I can do here is take my 5x minus 2, set it equal 0. And we get x by itself, so I add 2 to both sides. That gives me 5x is equal to 2. And divide both sides by 5. So x equals 2/5. Now if I know one of the roots is 2/5, I can also write that as x minus 2/5. So that'll give me answer choice A. Now if we wanted to prove that x minus 2/5 is a factor of this polynomial, we can show it by doing long division. So we'll have our 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 and then our x minus 2/5. So we're going to have to need a 5x here. So 5x times x gives you 5x squared. And 5x times the negative 2/5 gives you negative 2x. Okay, and then we're going to subtract 5x squared minus 5x squared is 0. 13x minus a negative 2x gives you a positive 15x. I'll bring down the negative 6. Then we're going to need 15. 15 times x gives you 15x. And 15 times the negative 2/5 gives you negative 6. We subtract those and we get a remainder of 0. Okay, so x minus 2/5 is a factor of 5x squared plus 13x minus 6.